In the last period, children, we had studied about how types of verbs, how these verbs come in your sentence. Let me revise this you once again, and then we will start the next verb, helping verb. But before that, I need to revise you what we had learned. So, what is a sentence? A sentence is like a movie. You have seen movie. What comes in a movie? You have the main actor, the actress, the villain. Yes, they all are the subject. Yes, so a sentence needs a subject. A subject is what? A subject in a sentence tells us about whom or what the sentence is about, like in the movie. Yes, but a sentence also needs a verb. You know that verb is equally important in a sentence. So that is why every sentence has a main verb. Yes, and what does this main verb in a sentence do? The main verb of the sentence expresses the action that is performed by the subject. Yes, it shows an action, or it also shows the physical or mental action of the subject, state of being, we say. Now, what is physical action? Physical action is what you can see, or you can do it. You can see that action doing. Yes, but mental action is we cannot see it. Yes, that is done mentally. It is related to your brain. That is mental action. So, main verb in a sentence tells us an action. It gives us the information about the action done by the subject. It can be physical action or mental action, anything. Yes, so what are the physical action? Examples like walk, run, talk, jump, sleep. All these are physical action, right? Mental action is think. Yes, or you can say think is an action done mentally, or you can also see some mental actions like that done by a subject. So that is what is main verb about. Now the next verb that we had done was linking verb. Yes, so what are linking verbs? Linking verbs are nothing but they link. I told you, they connect or they link. Now what do they link? This linking verb connects the subject to show the relationship with the other information of the subject. So in simple words I will tell you, linking verbs are nothing but they link or they connect the subject with the other part of the sentence, with the other information about the subject given. That is what is linking verb does. Now when you have a linking verb, the main verb remains absent. Yes, so you don't find any action verb over there. Okay, that remains absent, and so the linking verb takes its place. This is what we had learnt in the last period. Now today I am going to go with the helping verb. Yes, let us start. So today we are going to see the next verb, that is helping verb. Now a helping verb in a sentence, what does it do or how is it used? So first of all, let me tell you, helping verbs does not do any action, it does not show any action, but it gives it tells us about the time of the action. It does not give the important or the main information about the action, but it tells us the time of the action done and not the nature of the action, right? Time of the action done is whether it is done today, it was done yesterday, or it will be done tomorrow. That is present, past, or in future. This is the time of the action, right? So the helping verbs are used in a sentence according to the tenses. Yes, or they are used in the tenses in order to give information about the time of the action or the time of the main verb, right? For example, is, are, am, these are the few examples of helping verb. You have done this last year. Is, am, are, was, were. Yes, in continuous tenses. Why? Because here in continuous tense, these helping verbs do not give you the main information, but they are helping the main verb. They support the main verb to tell the time of the action, right? So helping verbs, what do? They help the main verb in expressing the time of action. Okay, so I have written 2 examples on the board. Let us see. As I told you, it helps the main verb to tell the time of the action. Okay, so she is sleeping, she was sleeping. Now what is the difference? Here in the first sentence, she is sleeping. What do you see? You see that the main verb is sleeping, sleep. Yes, sleep is your main verb, which tells us the nature of the action. Okay, sleeping, right? But in the same sentence, the helping verb is, isn't it? And what does it tell? Is tells us, or is helps the main verb to tell the time of the action, when the action is done. So I have written here, action is done in present tense. It is done today or now. What is present tense? Something which is the action done now or today is present tense, isn't it? So sleeping is your main verb, but is tells us the action done is in the present tense. In the second sentence, she was sleeping. Yes, the main verb is same, sleeping. It gives the main information about the action, sleeping. But you have the action done in the past, was. Was tells us the action is done in the past tense. It was done some days before or yesterday. She was sleeping. Yes, so is and was are the helping verbs here, which help the main verb to complete your sentence. Yes, without, if you don't write this helping verbs here, if you miss it out, it does not give a complete information or does not make it complete. So these 2 examples tell you that the first example is done in the present, was tells you it is done in the past. So in the next period, we will go with the more helping verbs in detail.